Welcome to the 2020 Success Planner. I'm Natasha Denman, and I have been designing and creating this planner for the past 5 years. So this is the 5th year it's coming out, and a lot of people want to know what does it look like internally before they place their order with us. So let me take you on a tour through all the internal pages. This planner is about 180 pages, so it is something that you can have by your side and can input a lot of information to achieve all your personal and business goals. So let's go through. The very first page is obviously the personal information page, and then on the following one we have got just a little welcome here with a couple of links to webinars that I have done to help you with your planning and why I have designed the planner the way I have done it. So then we have a little inspirational quote on that following page, and the current year yearly overview, as well as the 2021 on the next one next to it. Obviously all of these appear side by side. Then I've got 4 pages worth of events planning, because I tend to do a lot of events in my business and I like to plan out my whole year in advance. And as you can see, we've highlighted here the weekends. And of course, this is side by side from Jan to June to July and to December. And of course, the last couple of years I have started inputting the following year annual overview so that you can plan your events kind of 18 months in advance. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of people who do a lot of events do plan quite far in advance, and your holidays and family time. So it's really good to have that extra year up your sleeve as you're finishing up the year with the planner. Then I have got the page where we actually write out our no dickheads policy, but I call it the dream client description here. And this is where you can write out notes on the types of people you want to attract in your business and in your life if you don't have a business. We have got monthly overviews, like a little mini calendar with where you can set your monthly goals here on the side. And then each week looks like this. So the plan actually begins on the 25th of November 2019, so you can start using it a lot earlier. And the weeks are set out like this because if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, you tend to be working right through from morning through to 11 p.m. So it doesn't actually finish at 7, this planner. It is vertical alignment week per view, so that you can see if you're busy in the morning, middle of the day, afternoon, or evening. And of course, it prompts you to put your weekly goals, as well as if you have exercised and meditated to hold you accountable on those kind of things. The following page obviously is the Thursday through to Sunday, and here you've got accountability of what events you may have gone to keep flexing that networking muscle, and of course remind you to do your weekly goals here on the Sunday for the following week, and that to do something for yourself on the Saturday. So it just goes through like this month by month, and of course the following month it'll have like a little monthly calendar, and it goes into all of the weeks. So I'm just going to flick right through to the end. The planner actually does end late, I think mid-January. We're just going to see that in a moment. I'm just going to flick through all the months. Here we go. The last date is the 10th of January in the following year. So in here, guys, then you've got some goal setting. First of all, your income stream goals that come up that you can break down to work out how to plan for your business and what your goals in your business are, and just explains how to do that. Your 5-year vision comes next. Then a little bit about goal setting and how to do it in the following pages, which become your 12 monthly goals, and then each quarterly goal. So each of your 90-day goals for the first, second, third, and the fourth quarter. Some notes pages. We've got some information, our ultimate 48-hour author packages and how our authors write their books, and of course our following retreats for the following year. That's just something that I put into all of my planners and things like that. Some more notes. If you want to write a book, a planning timesheet of how I would recommend that you set out and separate your time. And then finally, we're going to go into what kind of online events, podcasts, or interviews you've been a part of, what events you have attended or hosted yourself for the year, and networking events that you've actually been to. And once again, quite a few leftover notes pages and the back cover there. So I trust that this is giving you that internal look into the 2020 planner. If you want to grab your hands on it, just go follow the buttons on this page. We do only print very limited stock. Once it's sold out for the year, that's it. We don't remake them till the next year. So I hope you enjoy your 2020 planner and to your ultimate success. Smash